Hey guys, this is Mike from Thrifty Car Sales of Coopersburg. Quick tutorial here. We have a key fob for a 2015 Hyundai Sonata Sport that we actually have here in stock. Stock number P3522. I'm going to show you how to change the battery. Believe it or not, this is actually comes up quite often as we sell our vehicles. So new model remote, push the button right here, pops right out. If you notice right inside, in here, there's an actual indentation. The easiest way to open this up with the key itself, you want to pry it open. You're going to put it right in the slot and twist. Simple as that. Okay, prise it open and then you can pull the remote apart. All right, so pull it apart carefully and the battery's exposed right there. Super easy. All right, now this one takes 2032 battery. You can get these at Walmart, just about anywhere. All you do, just obviously replace the battery. So we're just going to replace the battery. Old one comes out, new one goes in. And after that, it's just a matter of putting it back together. Press it. And that's it. You can always give me a call, 610-282-1414. I'd gladly help you out with anything minor like this. 610-282-1414. And don't forget, you can find all our models, this one, and everything else we have in stock at whybuythrifty.com.